Hello, everyone. As I told you in my speech, I am very, very happy to be here now with Andy and Adam. They are right now in Prague, in Czech Republic. I'm right now in the San Francisco Bay Area, and this is the VR and AR Summit. We are really happy to be here. And I arranged this chat with the co-founders of a great project that is very, very interesting, as you're going to see. Altered Ventures, our company is super happy, humbled, and privileged to be working with this talented team that I'm sure is going to change the landscape of the convergence between blockchain and the immersive revolution that is upon us. Definitely one of the things that got my attention from Victoria VR, that's a great name of the company, is the amazing talent behind it. It's not only that the thing that you are going to see is going to blow your mind, is also the team behind it that is the thing that for me matters the most. So this is why I invited Adam and Andy to be here right now with me in a interview chat session.
Thank you, Mario, for introduction. It's really great and pleasure to be here with you.
Yes.
My name is Adam Ben. I'm Victoria VR co-founder and COO.
And I'm Andy Dobruski. I'm CEO and co-founder too.
Yeah, it's pleasure to be here again. What we are doing in Victoria VR. So Victoria VR is MMORPG blockchain-based virtual world, the metaverse in virtual reality with a realistic graphics. It's actually blockchain-based world owned and built by its users. The whole world is powered by amazing Unreal Engine. What does it mean? It's owned and built by its users and is blockchain-based. That means that all the assets you can get, all the items, all the resources, even avatars or clothing are represented as NFTs in blockchain. So everything you get, buy, or create actually in Victoria VR, you also get in your blockchain wallet as an NFT. So you are the true owner of everything you get or anything you own. You don't have to believe in any central authority actually, and you can do anything you want with all your assets. And
Yes, everything in game is up to you. It's not our property. It's only up to gamers.
yeah, in Victoria VR, you can buy VR lens and create anything you can imagine. We will have like very cool and user-friendly in-game builder, and you can monetize anything you and everything you create. Actually, another feature and advantage and benefit of this blockchain solution is that thanks to transparency, for example, if you get some legendary item that should exist only once in Victoria VR, you can check it on blockchain that this item is only once actually. And if you are the owner, so you know that you are the legend. Another feature is that Victoria VR is DAO, decentralized autonomous organization. So actually the community through the votes will control the virtual world and can decide about the future of Victoria VR. Actually, we see the future of Victoria VR as a universal platform for our virtual realities, games, and applications.
It's our target.
Yes, but actually to achieve such a goal, we need to focus on users who will be there in our world. So right now, we are focusing all our energy to gamers actually, to bring them on board, to give them the best VR experience, to tell them the story they will love and make them everyday users. Yes, we need to give them purpose, what they will be doing, not just a fun, but purpose, you know, so they will love it and they will coming back.
I'm pretty sure that there's a lot of other people that are maybe not that familiar with, for example, some of the things that you mentioned, decentralized, right? The DAO, the decentralized organization, the blockchain, and the attribute, because you're building a platform that will have an attribute that is completely decentralized from a one single corporation, right? So you're building a virtual world in which I, as a user, I am going to be able to buy land, right? Virtual land that is going to be not owned by you as a company, but is going to be
Yes.
owned by me. And one of other things that you mentioned, I'm pretty sure that the majority of the persons that are right now seeing this are familiar also with the term NFT, non-fungible token. But maybe the non-fungible token that you're familiar with is related to art only, for example, or digital.
Yeah. Yes. Yeah.
The things that
Totally.
you explained, and it's amazing, is that the NFT attribute you are giving to everything inside Victoria VR. Let's go to the next question, and hopefully you can show us something as you are maybe explaining some. What are you building in terms of graphics? You mentioned one important thing, that you're building this under the Unreal Engine, which is great, obviously. But what can you show us right now in terms of what you guys are building?
Here you can see in virtual Valle. We're launching in next month.
Yeah, we actually create this virtual gallery for our partner Escape to Nature. The one key thing is that while we are creating our virtual world, we need to protect our beautiful blue planet, especially ocean life. So we will support it, for example, through the education of the Escape to Nature. Here you can see the amazing content, and we will giving our users amazing exclusive content first, so they will see it first. Also, and we are launching the virtual gallery in Oculus. By the way, this year we are also launching the big market VR. That will be like the marketplace for NFTs in virtual reality. It will be amazing.
That's great, guys. When I met Andy and Adam and all the team behind Victoria VR, and they showed us what they're building, I was convinced that this project is going to definitely make a mark. So I think that it's a good time for us to make the brief announcement that we are very, very proud to say that Altered Ventures is actually a proud participant and investor in Victoria VR, but not only an investor, but also a partner. We are going to make sure that we work with Victoria VR to fulfill what Adam just said in terms of making sure that Victoria VR and the digital virtual metaverse that they're building is going to be the next platform in this amazing, phenomenal convergence between blockchain and the metaverse, the virtual reality and the immersive world that is already here. It's already happening. The metaverse is absolutely here.
I want to mention what is our goals actually, because we are talking about that we are creating game. That's the first phase, but actually our long-term vision and our long-term goals are, we want to create, or we are creating the world that thanks to algorithmization and DAO will live on its life even without the creators, even without us.
Technically, it's not work, it's space.
Yes, yeah. And the second big goal is to create not just a game, but create a virtual world where people can actually live. You know, it's not just a game. You will be able to work here, make money, educate yourself, have fun, maybe find love. So we are creating a world where people can actually live.
That sounds exciting, man. That sounds amazing. And I'm very, very proud and happy to be part of the team as well. Altered Adventures will make sure that helps Victoria VR in everything we can. Make sure that you visit the Altered Adventures booth in VR and AR Summit, because we have a longer presentation from Victoria VR. We have already there also Super World and all the things that we're doing. So make sure that you visit us. Thank you for the time. Thank you, guys. All the best all the way to Prague.
Thank you, Mario. Thank you, Mario.
Bye.
Bye.